Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on crafting a JavaScript observer pattern for responsive UI state changes. Today, we'll explore how this powerful design pattern can enhance your web applications, making them more dynamic and easier to maintain. Imagine a scenario where you have multiple components in your application that need to react to changes in state. The observer pattern allows you to manage these changes effortlessly, ensuring your UI remains responsive and synchronized. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to implement this pattern in JavaScript, apply it in real-world scenarios, and optimize your applications for better performance. So, if you're looking to take your JavaScript skills to the next level, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more high-quality tutorials that keep you at the forefront of the latest development trends. Let's dive into the theory behind the observer pattern. This design pattern is essential in situations where a change in one object must be reflected in others. Think of a newspaper subscription. When the latest edition is available, all subscribers receive it. In software terms, the newspaper is the subject, and the subscribers are observers. In JavaScript, the observer pattern is particularly advantageous due to its event-driven nature. By implementing this pattern, you can decouple your code, making it more maintainable and scalable. Whether you're working with React, Vue, or vanilla JavaScript, understanding this pattern is crucial for managing complex UI states efficiently. Now let's look at a practical code example of how to implement the observer pattern in a React application. We'll create a simple application where a button click updates the state, and this change is reflected in the UI. We'll use a subject class to manage the observers and notify them of any changes. The code illustrates how to set up the subject and observer components, ensuring they communicate effectively to update the UI. For those eager to explore further, the full code is linked in the comments. As a challenge, try editing it to add new features and share your creations with us. Let's walk through a demonstration of our application in action. Imagine opening the app and seeing a button labeled Change State. Initially, the text on the screen reads Current State, Initial State. Now, when you click the button, the state updates to show the current time, thanks to the observer pattern. This seamless update occurs because the observers are notified of the change, and the UI reflects this instantly. The demo showcases the power of the observer pattern in maintaining responsive and dynamic user interfaces. To wrap up, we've explored the observer pattern and its application in JavaScript for responsive UI state changes. This pattern is invaluable for creating dynamic, maintainable, and scalable applications. By integrating this into your projects, you can ensure that your UI components stay in sync with the application state, enhancing user experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing to our channel. We provide clear, real-world examples that accelerate your learning curve, helping you become a more proficient developer. Keep experimenting, and remember, the best way to learn is by doing. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.